Amazing fact of red bird. Meet the astonishing red bird, a creature of vibrant hues and fascinating behaviors. This bird is more than just a pretty face. Did you know red birds are known for their monogamous relationships? They mate for life, showcasing a rare loyalty in the animal kingdom. They're not just lovers, they're fighters too. When threatened, red birds fiercely protect their nests, exhibiting unmatched courage. These birds also have a melodic song, filling forests with their mesmerizing tunes. A symphony in nature, truly. So next time you spot a red bird, remember, you're witnessing a remarkable blend of beauty, loyalty, courage, and music.